Hi guys, welcome to the Only in Brazil channel, the first channel in YouTube made by Brazilians for you. Our goal is to help you to have the best experience to your trip to my country. So today I'm going to talk about São Paulo City, the largest city in Brazil. Hi guys, welcome to Only in Brazil channel, the first channel in YouTube made by Brazilians for you that are planning your trip to Brazil. Our goal is to help you to have the best experience to your trip in my country. But before we start, if you are liking this video and the tips we are giving to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive all of our videos. And if you are a little lost with your travel, we can help you to plan it. So send us an email to onlyinbrazilchannel@gmail.com and we can help you with your program and to program your flight tickets, book your hotel, make some reservations in the best restaurants, and also pick up the best tours and places to go. So click in the link in the description of the video or send us an email and let's start. So São Paulo is the largest city in Brazil and one of the most populous cities in the world. It is located in the southeastern region of the country and it's the capital of the state of São Paulo. The city is known for its diverse culture, bustling energy, and rich history. One of the most famous attractions in São Paulo is the Paulista Avenue, which is the financial and cultural center in the city. The avenue is home to several museums, art galleries, and cultural centers, as well as one of the most important financial institutions in Brazil. Another must-see attraction in São Paulo is the São Paulo Museum of Art, which houses a collection of over 8,000 works of art, including pieces by Brazilian and international artists. The city also has a vibrant nightlife scene with numerous bars, clubs, and music venues to choose from. São Paulo is also known for its delicious cuisine, which is heavily influenced by the city's immigrant population. Visitors can find a wide variety of dining options, including traditional Brazilian dishes, Italian, Chinese, Middle Eastern, and Japanese food. The city's transportation system is composed of several means of transportation, including buses, subways, and trains, which make it easy to get around. São Paulo is a city that never sleeps, with a vibrant and diverse cultures, delicious food, and many things to do and see. It's a perfect destination for people who like to explore new places and experience different cultures. However, it's also important to know that the city is prone to traffic congestion and crime, and it's important to be aware of the safety measures, especially in certain areas. We have some videos talking what to do in São Paulo here in the channels. And if you liked this video and the tips I gave you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and to receive all of our videos in first hand as soon as we publish them here. You can see them, and if you are a little lost with your travel, we can help you to plan it. So check the link in the description or send us an email to onlyinbrazilchannel@gmail.com and we can help you with your travel. We will make you like a video call and help you to buy your tickets, book the best hotels, choose the bars and restaurants, and also pick up the best tours and places to go. So click in the link in the description or send us an email. Besides this, you still can become a member of the channel and keep and help us to keep our work here or even buy our products. So check all the details on the description. If you have any question about Brazil, please let me know in the comments and I wish you a safe trip to Brazil. Bye!